Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of Community College Cooking Class with West Easy. Today we're going to be making roasted seaweed, also called kim in Korean. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Now remember, wash up before you start going to town. Make sure your stove is at a relatively high heat because we're going to want to get these crispy but not burnt. And if you have it too low, by the time it gets crispy, the whole thing gets burnt and it tastes terrible. I forgot to record myself actually doing this process. I recorded it, but I think I accidentally deleted the file, so just follow the instructions. It's super simple. Just cut it into the desired size for your strips, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put on some gloves. Still wash your hands when you have gloves. Just put on some gloves, get some sesame oil, and rub down each piece of seaweed, and just a little sprinkle of salt on the top. Make sure you sprinkle it very high up so that it spreads throughout the seaweed. And since we're layering this, there's no need to put salt on the bottom. Just on the top and layer it up until you get how many you want. And this is gonna be what you're looking for when you put it in the hot pan. It's gonna crinkle, and then that oil is gonna give it a nice little crispy texture. And bada bing, bada boom, you just made roasted seaweed. No Kirkland needed. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other cooking videos I should do. Alright, bye-bye!